What if every purchase earned you points you could actually use? The surprising truth about the Add Touch Points Platinum card is that its rewards can add up quickly when used the right way. This card offers touch points for every dirham spent, which can be redeemed for travel, shopping, or statement credits. It also includes airport lounge access and purchase protection. The annual fee is moderate, and benefits can easily outweigh the cost for frequent spenders. In conclusion, this card is ideal for people who want simple rewards and everyday perks. Subscribe for more credit card reviews. Title start TrueConf honest review watch before using title BNE script start what if your next online meeting platform could save your company thousands, but also slow you down if you choose wrong. Most people get this wrong, but here's why TrueConf is often misunderstood. The surprising truth is that this video conferencing platform is not built for casual users. It is designed for secure business environments, and that changes everything. TrueConf is a video conferencing and collaboration system used mainly by corporations, schools, and government organizations. Unlike Zoom or Google Meet, TrueConf focuses heavily on security, private servers, and on-premise deployment. That means you can run meetings inside your own network without sending data through third-party cloud systems. When you first sign up, the interface feels clean, but technical. Setting up a server-based version takes more time than cloud tools. You need basic IT knowledge, or someone on your team who understands network setup. However, once it is configured, it becomes extremely stable and secure. TrueConf supports HD video, screen sharing, group conferences, chat, file sharing, and even live streaming. It can handle hundreds of participants in one meeting when hosted on your own server. This is a big advantage for companies that hold large internal conferences. One feature people love is cross-platform compatibility. You can join meetings on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and even through a web browser. You can also connect hardware conference rooms using SIP and H.323 systems. But here's where most people get confused. TrueConf is not ideal for casual teams or solo users. If you just want quick meetings with friends or small teams, this platform may feel too complex. The setup process alone can take hours instead of minutes. Pricing depends on how many users and servers you need. While it can be affordable for large organizations, small teams may find cheaper cloud-based options easier to manage. So who should use TrueConf? It is perfect for companies that care about data privacy, security, and internal communication. If your organization needs full control over your meetings, this platform is worth considering. In conclusion, TrueConf is powerful, secure, and reliable, but only if you truly need its advanced features. Choose wisely, because the right tool can transform how your team communicates. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns that save you time and money.